Здравствуйте, любители языков.
I'm Molly. Today we have a special vocabulary lesson. We'll be covering some essential phrases to help you get started in Russian. Whether you're planning a trip to Russia or just curious about the language, these phrases will come in handy. So, let's dive in. The first set of phrases we'll learn are basic greetings. It's always polite to start a conversation with a warm greeting. Greetings.
Привет.
Привет, как дела?
Привет.
Is used between friends or in casual settings. It's a friendly and relaxed greeting suitable for people you know well.
Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте, как вас зовут?
Здравствуйте.
Is a more formal greeting used in professional or unfamiliar settings, or when addressing elders, strangers, or a group of people. It reflects a higher level of respect. Pleasantries.
Пожалуйста. Пожалуйста.
Is a versatile word in Russian that can mean both please and you're welcome, depending on the context. Example 1 with please.
Пожалуйста.
Можешь передать соль?
Пожалуйста.
Example 2 with you're welcome.
Пожалуйста.
Спасибо за помощь. Пожалуйста.
Спасибо.
Ты помог мне с уроками. Спасибо.
Нет проблем. Рад был помочь. Спасибо за комплимент.
You can see how
Пожалуйста.
is used both as a response to a request, please, and as a reply to express gratitude, you're welcome.
Спасибо.
Is used to express thanks in response to a kind gesture or assistance. Yes and no.
Да.
Ты готов?
Да, я готов.
Нет.
Ты ешь мясо?
Нет, я вегетарианец.
Introductions.
Меня зовут Али. Как вас зовут?
Меня зовут Ирина.
Asking how someone is doing.
Как дела?
A common way to check in on someone. You can reply with,
Хорошо.
if you're doing well. Saying goodbye.
До свидания.
This phrase is a formal way to say goodbye in Russian. It is often used when parting from someone you may not see for a while or in more formal settings.
Спасибо за приглашение.
Пожалуйста, приходите еще.
Да, конечно. До свидания.
At the end of a formal business meeting.
Всем спасибо за внимание. До свидания.
Пока.
This is a more casual way to say bye or goodbye in Russian. It's commonly used among friends, family, or in informal situations. Friends parting ways after a casual meeting.
Ну, пока. Увидимся завтра.
Ending a phone conversation with a friend.
Ладно, я иду. Пока.
While leaving the house.
Я ухожу, пока не забудь закрыть дверь.
Asking about languages. Certainly. In the Asking About Languages section, we covered the phrase,
Вы говорите по-русски?
which translates to Do you speak Russian? This is a useful question to ask if you're interested in someone's language abilities. Let me provide you with some examples and additional context.
Привет. Меня зовут Ирина. Вы говорите по-русски?
This example shows Irina introducing herself and then asking if the person is able to speak Russian. Now listen the answer.
Да, я говорю по-русски. И вы?
In this case, the response indicates that the person does speak Russian, and they reciprocate by asking if Irina speaks Russian as well.
Нет, я не говорю по-русски, но я учусь. Вы можете мне помочь?
Here, Irina admits that she doesn't speak Russian but expresses and willing this to learn. She also seeks assistance from the other person. And there you have it. You've just learned some essential Russian phrases to kickstart your language journey. Practice these regularly, and soon you'll find yourself navigating conversations with ease. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Learn Russian Easy with Ali. Until next time.
До свидания.